meets girl. They decide to get married, 2 or 3 wedding functions, and there you go. Well, not anymore. Indian weddings are getting bigger and crazier.
You are watching Wedding Trends by bandbaja.com in association with Fab India, and I am your host Pavleen Gujral. Did you hear that? Can you smell it? It's wedding season. So brace yourself brides and grooms because आपका नंबर आ गया है. Now I know कि आपको बहुत सारी प्लानिंग करनी है. केटर डिसाइड करना है, वेंडर्स के साथ झगड़ा करना है, वेडिंग डेकोर डिसाइड करना है, गेस्ट लिस्ट तैयार करनी है, एंड ओ माय गॉड द क्लोथ्स. But don't worry, we are there for you. And trust me, it's going to be one smooth ride. And before we enter into our show any further, let's check out some smashing entries by brides and grooms. There are weddings and then there are weddings. A Russian oil tycoon's daughter got married in Moscow where her outfit alone was worth almost $500,000. The entertainment cost was $386,000 and they had a 10-feet cake on top of all that. To tell you honestly, no matter how much money you spend on the wedding, be it on the clothes, the fine dine cuisine or the beautiful locations, the bride is always the silent star. Right, ladies?
You might not need glitter to shine on your wedding, but you do need a great makeup artist. We got the amazing Vidya Tikari to create some of her signature bridal looks for this season. The Bronze Bride. This glamorous yet understated look is all about getting the contouring and highlighting right. For the eyes, Vidya plays with dark browns, hues of gold, and big dramatic clashes. Our beautiful bride is ready to shine. Next up, Vidya does a lovely play of bright colors for the winter bride. After contouring the face, she uses an apricot color powder to open and brighten up the eyes. Vidya is giving our bride the quintessential smoky eyes, but with a mix of colors. Soft pink lips and our winter bride is ready. Minimalistic and nude palettes are in. Inspired by Bajirao Mastani, this is the royal princess look, and young brides just can't get enough of it. Vidya uses metallic tones to give the skin a silky and smooth finish. Creamy contouring on the eyes, fake lashes, and bold brows give the bride a dewy look. Our dreamy bride is ready.
Now that's what Indian weddings are all about. The presentation. So much glamour and galore. Kis liye? Of course, wedding ke liye. But mostly it's for the wedding album and the videos and the beautiful memories that you create. We asked some ace wedding photographers and videographers our favorite question. What's trending?
What's trending? Drones are in this wedding season.
10 years ago, if you had to take an aerial shot, you had to hire a helicopter. Today, you can do it with a personalized drone.
Everyone wants their wedding film to look like a Bollywood film. They want drama, they want romance, they want gossiping, everything in that one film which can entertain them later on.
You have GoPro cameras that go underwater. It's all fun.
You've seen those cricket matches where they use the wire cam to capture the aerial shots. So we keep the same in the weddings now. We need to show that grandness of the function.
Super slow motion cameras that are capturing the moment and actually freezing it for you to see all your life.
Couples this season are going to places like Phuket, Udaipur, Dubai to get their wedding and pre-wedding shoots done.
There are teams that are called to specially shoot a 360 degrees video view of the entire destination wedding.
Save the date videos, which they can share with their guests living abroad, living out of town, where they cannot send their wedding card because nowadays the wedding cards are really huge and big. So they can share the entire information of their wedding card into that small video and share with everyone.
Then we asked them, what are the obvious mistakes that you will make?
Hiring two teams. One for the boy side, one for the girl side. Never do that. You'll always end up having so many photographers in front of you. At the same time, at times they fight also in the venue.
You know, an over-enthusiastic relative comes up with his phone and starts shooting right in front of the photographers, and he kind of ruins the moment.
Don't skip your pre-wedding shoot. You don't want to look uncomfortable in front of the camera during the wedding day.
There's always going to be a family photographer or a family friend who's a vendor. If, God forbid, the vendor or the photographer should go make a mistake and do a bad job, there's very little you can do about it because it's all in the family.
So many couples are coming to us with different videos from YouTube or Facebook, and they try to replicate the same videos for their function. Doing a peppy video for some person which are not peppy, that will not come out good.
So another mistake what people usually make is they don't discuss lighting and decor with their photographer. In terms of lighting, if it's a blue color lighting or red color lighting, it's going to reflect in your pictures and video too.
We've had angry clients, we've had rude wedding planners, we've had stressed out relatives, but at the end of the day, all's well that films well.
Relax, एक दो गलतियां तो चलती हैं. Now let me show you an inspiring video to get those creative juices flowing. Wasn't that an inspiring video? I'm sure you're having an idea or two. Well, let's just talk to the expert. We have with us Reema Bhatt from Wedding Twinkles. Hi Reema, how are you doing?
Hi, I'm doing good, pretty good. Thank you so much for having me here.
What has been one of the most craziest requests that a client has made to you and you've been able to do it?
We have captured few of the, a couple shots under the water. We've done levitation photography when people want to be in the air and they would want to propose the bride. The groom wants to propose the bride. So this is one of the things we've done in recent times. And other sort of proposals are we've captured a couple in Ladakh while they themselves were breathless, till the time the shot could have been taken. But then yes, that's how they wanted their beautiful captures to come out.
Those are a lot of options to choose from when it comes to wedding photography. But tell me something honestly, not everybody can afford these crazy ideas. So how does one go on a budget but not really compromise on the creative aspect?
So probably we can have, a little bit of a different token of love given to each other, where we convert the bride and the groom into small clay dolls. Those are called as clones. So we can have different budget concepts. We can have a low budget concept. We can have something which they can click themselves, in a studio, or they can get themselves clicked at a home. So it doesn't have to be always a lavish sort of candid captures to be taken. They can be very small as well.
So personally, what has been the most memorable experience as a wedding photographer for you?
There've been lot instances, but then one of the most elusive one was with Akriti Kakkar. We just captured a wedding recently when she was the bride. She entered, with a bang, with her groom dancing, all bhangra steps and movements. She was the most excited bride I ever saw and could click, in the particular frame that I wanted. So yeah, it was one of the most happiest brides that entered.
Thank you so much, Reema, for those wonderful insights. Where are you guys going? You are coming right back at the end of this break because we have a lot more in store for you. So catch you soon. आज खुश तो बहुत होगी तुम, आपकी शादी होने जा रही है. Now everybody has to listen to you and you are the boss. And with so much attention comes a lot of free advice.
What?
नहीं स्वीटी,
फोटोग्राफर,
wedding planner.
फोटोग्राफर हायर करेंगे शादी के लिए.
But why do we need that when we have my daughter-in-law? I mean, she is amazing at planning schemes.
तू एक डिजाइनरों के चक्कर छोड़ दे. तू स्पेशली एक डेकोरेटर्स हायर करेगी अपनी वेडिंग सजाने के लिए. मेरी बात सुन, तू ना करीना वाला लहंगा सिलवा ले. वो टिंकू मामा की मुंह बली बहन की बेटी है ना, वो फोटोग्राफी का कोर्स कर रही है कुरुक्षेत्र यूनिवर्सिटी से. उसे बुला लेते हैं. पिछली गली का टिंकू टेलर है ना, उसको दे देंगे. जाते जाते 201 रुपए डाल देंगे लिफाफे में. हैं मेरी मान, तू ना पैसे बचा ले और ना मनसा देवी होया. दर्शन के दर्शन और वही हनीमून का. सही है.
जितना आसान दिखता है उतना है नहीं. Planning a wedding is a logistical nightmare. No matter how organized and confident you are bound to have a bridezilla moment. That is why I am here to give you a crash course on how to manage your wedding. Here is the starters wedding checklist. Start a wedding folder where you have all your creative ideas. Kind of like Pinterest. You must lock the budget now. Chances are you will overspend, so you need to have a set figure in mind. Everything else will fall into place. Lock your guest list. Once that is sorted, you can imagine the scale of your wedding. अब पंडित को बुला लीजिए और date decide कर लीजिए. Once the date is decided, move on to the venue. Check out the work of the vendors that you like obsessively on social media and on bandbaja.com. You should now start meeting your vendors for catering, photography, entertainment, hair and makeup, and especially clothes. Give this a good 2 to 3 months. For all those time management fails, if you can't do any of the above, do yourself a favor and hire a planner. But अगर आपने decide कर ही लिया है that I want to do this on my own, just for the sheer joy of it, we have a solution. Bye-bye grey hair. Hello, Mr. Planner.
You can now go digital and cashless on your wedding and still plan it like a pro.
No wedding planning can happen without a good checklist, and that's what we offer at bandbaja.com for the very first time in India. What we have is an automated and intelligent wedding planning tool. So let's see how does the tool work.
Log on to bandbaja.com, click on the plan section and get started. Select if you are a bride or a groom. Add your wedding date and your details. Now sign in and pick the number of guests you have in mind. Add your budget and that's it. The intelligent wedding planning tool will segregate your budget according to your various categories and your city. It will also share vendor options with you. You can modify your category budget, remove and add categories as per your wish.
Indian weddings are huge. There is a lot of money that goes in. There are a lot of functions that are there, a lot of items that you have to do. And on the D-Day, they figure out they have missed on certain critical and crucial items. So that's where we felt that if we create a tool which allows them to do this in a simple and easy manner, it will be very good for them in their entire wedding planning.
With every wedding season, it's like a quest for larger-than-life decor moments. And why not? We are Indians after all. We're all about the bling. So here is a list of hot wedding decor trends this season.
most timeless trend in wedding decor this winter is being able to take elements of your own lives, your likes, dislikes, your favorite colors, and actually making it part of the decor story for the event.
The hottest trend is rustic weddings. They want something different. They want some wooden work, wooden props happening. It adds on to the warmness of the fall months, fall palace of the wedding season.
Eco-friendly, organic, working with paper, seeing where you can involve local children to help you with or NGOs to help you with your decor.
The dramatic drapes. The pastel drapery has come in. People have actually started taking the shades of mints, lavenders, like corals, pinks from daytime wedding till evening.
Another trend is to actually go back to old India and work with vintage posters and inspire an entire setting by vintage India.
My personal taste, I would say, is the power of the flower. Flower adds on to your event. If there's a flower, it's a, the earth smiles in flowers, I feel.
Another one is to work with light in any form that you like. Bulbs, candles, lanterns, just go overboard with lights. There's nothing that you can do wrong with it. It's winter. The next trend that I would recommend is working with lots of local flowers. Get rid of the marigold for this season. Head out to the mandi and just get a whole burst of potted plants and work with those for decor.
So now people prefer ice bars, like long elevated ice bars with some fire shows happening. This is a really hot pick. And I believe this is gonna be getting bigger and bigger.
क्या आपको ये सब कुछ बहुत महंगा लग रहा है? क्या आपके पास आजकल नोटों की कमी है? घबराइए मत, because we have a solution for you. Check out these real life DIYs to make your wedding extra special, and that too within your budget.
The easiest DIY idea for this season is to head to the market, pick up some old lassi glasses. You'll get them in Chandni Chowk or any vintage market. Pick up some kites. Fill the lassi glasses with potted plants or any flowers from the garden and use the kites as placemats. It's super fun, it's quirky, and I'm sure your guests are going to love it. If you want to do something cooler for your wedding, and we did this for a wedding last month, is we hired a caricaturist who made sketches of all the guests. It was a great favor, and then you can later use it for a seating chart for the sit-down dinner or reception. I think the three things you must invest in. The first is a good photographer, because that's what stays on the photos after the wedding. The second is a beautiful stage, because that's where all your photographs get shot. There's no point of having a good photographer if you have people behind your frame. And the third is invest in good lighting.
I think we have covered quite a lot of ground today. But शादी तो अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. So keep on watching this space wedding trends for all your wedding woos, and do log on to bandbaja.com for all your wedding queries. This is me, Pavleen Gujral, signing off with a bang. DJ!
So tell me the best wedding song this year.
The only song comes to my mind is London to...
एक second.
ये देश है वीर जवानों का अलवेलों का मस्तानों का
तेरा ना दिया तुम्मा तुम्मा पे गईया तुम्मा पे गईया
Party all night, we do party all night. सुन लो सारे दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो. नहीं.
मैं तो एवे लट गया.
सुबह सवेरे उठ के मैंने ब्रेकअप कर लिया.
आज मेरी यार की शादी है. लंदन ठुमकदा ठुमकदा ठुमकदा.
कजरा मोहब्बत वाला अखियों में ऐसा डाला, कजरे ने ले ली मेरी जान. हाय रे मैं तेरे कुर्बान.